All things Yazz. I hope you guys are safe and well. In today's video I have a what's in my bag travel edition featuring my Dior book tote, my rather heavy Dior book tote. As you guys know, I'm heading to Portugal next week. I'm super excited, well, hopefully heading to Portugal next week, and I thought it'd be fun to show you what I take on board with me. And as you could tell, I have quite a lot of things that I take on board with me. So yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, let's start with a very important one that probably won't stay in my bag for long, is my face mask. I bought these actually a couple of days ago. I found them on Etsy. I think it's called Maud, the company. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. I chose red because I thought it would go nicely with my book tote. I'm probably going to wear a plain outfit and just accent with my book tote and my face mask. Will got an army green one. They're really comfortable, stretchy material, really soft, fit perfectly, and came within a couple of days, so really great. Obviously it's probably not going to stay in my bag for long. Probably as soon as I get to the airport this will go on and not come off until I get to my destination. So let's move on to electricals, as I have 5 things. So obviously my phone is going to go with me. This is the iPhone 11 Pro in the green colour, loving it in the green colour. The camera on this is amazing. I've really been loving this, so I'm obviously going to take my phone with me. Next thing that I love to take with me whilst travelling is my Beats wireless headphones. These are an absolute must-have for travelling for me, just because they're noise cancelling, they're really comfortable. I love to listen to music or watch movies on the plane, and Will's normally sleeping. He sleeps every plane journey and I can never do that, so I like to take these with me, and with the next item they go perfectly. So this is my iPad. I love this. I use this all the time at the moment. I use it a lot for uni as well, just because it's the perfect size. It fits in pretty much every bag, apart from small crossbodies obviously, and it's just the perfect size screen wise as well when you're on a plane. This fits perfectly on the little trays, and yeah, it's great for watching movies, and I love it when I'm on holiday because I read most of my books on there as well, which is great. So I'm going to put that to the side. On to the next one, which doesn't stay in my bag for long, is my laptop. This is my MacBook Pro. This is the one with the touch bar. Sorry, it's a bit dirty, but I had to take this on holiday with me just purely because of work and editing videos. I wish I could do it on my iPad. That would be really great because it's just perfect, but I have to do it on something a little bit bigger and the software's on there. But yeah, I normally put that into my little suitcase that I also take on board with me. That's just filled with clothes normally, once I get through security, because then this becomes so much lighter. So let's move on to some other important things. So this is my travel buddy, as I like to call it. It's from Smythson in this gorgeous yellow kind of like snake print. It's my travel wallet, and it has all of our passports in, our boarding cards. I like to put my currency in here as well. It's just perfect, and it's a really good size. It's like a clutch size, so I can just grab it. It's very easy to find. That's in there. I normally have 2 pairs of sunglasses in here, but I just put in one for now. These are my new Chloe sunglasses. I'll leave a link to the unboxing just up above, but these are my new sunnies for this summer, and I'm obsessed with them. I can't stop wearing them. But I'm probably going to take my Louis Vuitton aviators. I like to take 2 pairs just for a bit of variety while I'm on holiday. And so yeah, there'd be normally another pair in here. Oh, I forgot my other electrical. So my camera, my vlogging camera. I'm debating whether to take my big one that you guys are currently on, because I'm going for 3 weeks, so I'm not sure what to do, but I am definitely taking my little G7X, my Canon one. This is perfect. Absolutely love this little camera for vlogging. And yeah, good job. I need a stand. I had one of those stands, you know, the bobbly ones, and it's broken and they're quite expensive, but I do need another stand if I'm just taking this, because balancing it in Portugal, it's such a nightmare. Okay, next thing that I like to take is this. It doesn't have anything in at the moment because I'm not going to put all of my jewellery in here just to take it out again. But this is a little White Company jewellery box. It's a really good size. You can get all your rings in, and then within... I keep finding hair ties that I keep losing on camera, and it's so annoying. As I was saying, I like to keep my necklaces and bracelets in here, and then extra rings, and if, say, the big rings don't fit in here, they just go in there. But normally what I like to do, I like to wear the jewellery that I'm most likely going to use a lot in Portugal. I like to wear it whilst I'm travelling, and then just have a couple of alternatives in here. But just for security wise, I do like to take my jewellery box in my bag. I don't take too much because I generally just wear the same thing over and over when I'm in Portugal. But it's a great little jewellery box and fits a lot in. Next up we have my little Tangle teaser for my hair. This works so well. This is from Coco and Eve. I love it. I normally tie my hair back when I'm travelling, but you know, just to freshen up on the other side, I do like to take a Tangle teaser. And on the freshen up side, I do have my little Charlotte Tilbury brushes case, although I'm probably not going to be taking any makeup with me in my bag, sorry, just purely because I'm going to be wearing a mask, so I think I might just do my brows and my lashes, because it's just so pretty. I don't want to ruin it and get makeup all over it for now, so probably not going to wear too much makeup. Another essential that I forgot to mention at the start, my card holder. I can't go anywhere without this. I love it. It's from Chanel. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm debating on getting another one later on this year, maybe in the shiny textures, the caviar, I'm not entirely sure. But yes, I have been wanting a coin purse, and I keep saying this every time we do a video like this. I have seen something that I really want from Louis Vuitton. I think it's called the Trio pouch, but you get a coin purse, something slightly bigger, and the kind of like pocket that you get out of the Neverfull that's attached, something about that size, and I just thought that'd be perfect for traveling, as well as having it in your everyday bag. And I was gonna buy it before we went on holiday, but I did spend my spending allowance, as I like to call it, on my Gucci shoes and my new golden sandals. If you haven't seen those, check those out on my Instagram. They're absolutely beautiful. They're from a new brand called Port and Prairie. I may be saying that wrong, but they're new to Net-a-Porter, and they have the most beautiful range of shoes. But you guys will see those if you watch my next video, which is on Thursday, where I'm going to be doing a packing video and showing you guys some of my favourite outfits that I'll be taking with me, so stay tuned for that. And then the last item in my handbag is this little travel pouch. Now this is from Feel Unique, when Feel Unique did a collaboration with In The Fro. She's, by the way, probably my favourite fashion YouTuber of all time. I love her videos so much, and I saw the travel box and it was just perfect for me. And this is perfect. Instead of having to take out all of your makeup stuff, I like to put it all in here. So I've got a nail file because I'm forever chipping my nails, hair ties in here because I keep losing them and it's just easy to leave them in there. I've got some eye cream from Bobbi Brown. I like to freshen up when I get on the other side, and the next one is perfect. This actually came in the set, and it's just like this refreshing spray, and I love to mist this on my face after being in the plane. And then I've got hand cream. Now there is one thing that I am missing from this bag, and for the life of me I can't find it, but I am gonna buy a couple more, is hand sanitizer. I'm going to be buying a little bottle of hand sanitizer to go in my pouch when I go on board, but also for all of my little crossbody bags. I'm going to just put them straight into those little bags within my suitcase, so if I'm ever going out I will always have hand sanitizer in my bags. But yeah, just after hand sanitizer, maybe hand cream, or before, I don't know which way to do it. And then two of my absolute favourites and must-haves for travelling. Jo loves Perfume. It's in like the most gorgeous little glass bottle, and this one is green, orange and coriander actually. Oh, it smells amazing. This smell is my favourite from Jo Loves. Oh, it's just such a fresh smell. And then my Bobbi Brown Extra Lip Tint, and this is just my lip balm that I'm obsessed with. It's so creamy and feels so nice on. I just have to have that. And I feel like I'm forgetting something. I can't remember if that's absolutely everything I'm going to be taking. There are a couple of things that I'll be taking extra, such as sandwiches and crisps. I'm taking my niece with me, so I'm gonna have to have snacks, and I'm also gonna have some sweeties or something to chew when we're taking off and when we're coming down, because I get really bad, my ears pop, and I know hers do too, so I'm gonna get something like that so she's chewing something when we take off. But my mum and dad went not so long ago, and they were saying that there's not many shops open, you know, when you get to the duty free bit, but also like there's no, I think there's maybe Boots, but there's no like, what's it called, cafes. I don't think they're open within there to get like, we normally get like a sandwich or something. So I'm going to be taking our own homemade sandwiches. I've got to check up and see if we're allowed to, but I think we are. But yeah. Okay guys, I think this concludes my what's in my bag travel edition. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for a get packing with me, or come packing with me, I'm not sure how I'm going to word it yet, next week Thursday, the day before I fly. Let me know if you'd like a travelling vlog. I was thinking of doing one all Friday showing you how I get to Portugal. Let me know if that's something that you'd like to see. And other than that, thanks so much for watching guys. Stay safe and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.